Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Kartra paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Kartra paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your monthly subscriptions can start to add up if you don't pay attention to it, and maybe you're not using your Kartra account anymore. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your paid subscription, what you're going to do is click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down, and you want to click on billing. It looks like a dollar sign. All right, once you do that, you're going to be able to see your current paid subscription plan with Kartra. You can see I have the starter plan right here. And in order to cancel your paid subscription, you need to click on the red cancel button. All right, for time to time, Kartra does run promotions to try to keep you on board if you decide to cancel. Looks like they're offering me a 50% discount. If you don't want to use that, go ahead and click on the red no thank you button. Next, Kartra does give you the option to go ahead and freeze your account. So that's going to freeze your membership fee, but your account will still remain. You're not going to lose the data within it. However, if you permanently close your account, which is what this button is, all of the data inside your Kartra account is going to be deleted. So we'll click here. And also they ask you to go ahead and read through this disclosure, confirming that you know that your subscription will no longer review. Also, you're not going to get access to any of the data inside your account once your subscription is done. Also, another thing, they don't really give refunds. So basically what's going to happen is they're not going to be billing on the next amount. So mine's going to bill in about 3 weeks. So I'm not getting a refund for this week that I've already used or this month, but it will not bill the next time. So you need to check here, and then you want to go ahead and notate why you're canceling. And then do you think you're going to use Kartra again? And then you can also put some notes in here if you want. Now, in order to permanently cancel your paid subscription with Kartra, scroll to the top and then click on confirm. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Kartra account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your paid subscription in Kartra, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.